Hi everyone, welcome. So today we're going to be doing Leetcode problem number 189, the rotate array problem. So the problem states, given an array, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So the example they give us is with each number in its appropriate position. So 1 is in the first position, 2 is in the second position, etc. And they want us to rotate it by 3, which is k. So 1, if we rotate it by 3, is going to end up 1, 2, 3. It's going to end up in the fourth position, which we see here after that 3 steps to the right, okay? So we could just, say, okay, all we need to do is add 3 to the current index of this, and then we will get our new position. That is, intuitively correct. However, we do have to consider the fact that if we're looking at something like 6 and we want to rotate it 3 to the right, it would then become 7, 8, 9. It would be in the ninth position, which doesn't exist. Okay, so we need to apply the modulus operator, dividing that sum by the length of the array so that we can get the remainder and then bring it back around the front, okay? So let's go ahead and let's start out with our length, just so we can store that in a variable, and then we will use a temporary array here. Let's set all the values equal to 0 just to start out. And then at the end, we will copy over all of these values to our original array, because here we're not returning anything. We're not returning a new array. We're just kind of rotating it in place. So that is what we're going to be doing. So then we're going to say for I in range n, let's set the value equal to a variable. So let's say x equals nums I. Okay, and then we need to figure out that new index. Okay, so let's say new index is going to equal I plus k, but then we're going to modulus n. Okay, so now we have our new index, and now we can just go ahead and we can say temp new index x. Okay, and then after we do all that, we want to then copy it over to our original array. So we'll say nums equals temp. Okay, let's run that and see if that works for us. On our first test case, it does. Let's see if it is accepted, and it is accepted. Okay, so there you go. That is how you solve the Leetcode problem number 189, rotate array, and I hope that helps. Take care.